أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Abstract is something which we can't see.
Yes.
And the opposite of abstract is concrete. The thing which is visible.
Visible.
Love,
Invisible.
invisible.
Yes.
Knowledge, invisible. But books,
Visible.
visible. So whatever is visible is not concrete. This is
Visible. Concrete.
concrete. Excellent. No? Points clear?
Yes, sir.
A concrete poem, it is also known as shape poem. It has two names, concrete
Shape
poem
poem.
or shape
Shape
poem.
poem.
It is written in the shape of its subject. As you know that each poem has some subject.
Yes.
So if the subject is a rainbow, so it shall be written in the shape of a rainbow.
Yes.
If the poem is on the topic of frog, so it shall be in the shape of frog. If the topic is plane, no, jet, aeroplane, so it shall be written in the shape of aeroplane. If the subject of the poem is chair, so it shall be written in the shape of chair. If the name of the subject of the poem is man, so it shall be written in the shape of man. Any question?
No, sir.
It does not have to. Weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Levels 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran